Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. It is almost the close in New York here. It is July 31st, Monday. We are closed in gold and oil, though, so let's just take a look. So we opened gap up in oil well above that close from yesterday, and they just had a tough time getting outside of this edge here, these areas, and it was a fight, to say the least. Ultimately, we are going to be finishing net positive on the day as we never got back down even to the range in oil from Friday. Now, gold opened inside of its range pretty much at its close, from what I can tell, or just below it, and just went straight up. Fought that contract high, and then decided to put some new highs in, and then came back and hit that prior resistance as support, and just drove it back up. Now, we did finish positive, 130 close, but you can see this the aftermarket hours have been still trading, and they're driving it back down, but we'll see if they ever get back there. But for the pit session, we did close positive on the day. Now, our equities, well, it was very slow today, to say the least. Very consolidated, as you can see. We opened inside that range, ever so slightly above that close. I had fought this HVA edge and made some new highs. Looked like we were going to get some decent participation, especially for a Monday. And they drove it down, got the close, and then it just got slow after that. Just you can see how consolidated that market became, and they did hit these areas a couple times, and they are driving it back up. So it looks like we are, if we do finish where we are right now, we're going to be finishing right around that close or just slightly above it. Now the Nasdaq's a very similar story. Can't really condense it. That's as much as it goes, but a lot more participation in the Nasdaq, micro Nasdaq than the micro ES. But very, very similar situation in terms of where we opened and where we closed. So we opened above that close, had to move up. You can see the resistance at these HVA edges. Remember, these edges are drawn the night before. In this case, because it is Monday, these were drawn Friday night, but they were published to our students Saturday morning. So our students had plenty of time over the weekend to get these onto their charts in preparation for Monday or even Sunday night if they were going to trade. You can see the response at those edges, those first-time basis, and even somewhat afterwards. They did have to run up, hit that HVA edge. They came crashing down a little bit, stalled, and there was a buyer in that 15,808 mark that just didn't want to take it lower. You can see throughout the remainder of the day, it became a little bit more consolidated, and as we got through lunch, it's just even more so. And then here shortly, last hour or so, it started picking up a bit, especially this last 10, 15 minutes. We did get some influx of volume, taking some over those order books and sweeping them out. And you can see just right there that move up. So it does look like we may be finishing a little net positive. It's a little too early to tell. This will keep moving on for a little while, but if they keep in that general direction, then we most certainly will be finishing positive on the day. With that said, if you are interested in learning more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before, or you're interested in learning the methodology to trade the method based off of levels, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Get in touch with the representative at Facebook or on our website that we just said, and you'll be able to get in touch with them. They'll show you into our rooms, and you'll be able to see what we do every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. Look forward to seeing you there.